Hello people of the internet, my name is Ben for a Nerd Herd, and we are back. We talk gaming, we talk tech, and we talk collectibles here on the channel. And first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, thank you for joining. If you've been here since the beginning, you are a rock star. I first want to take this moment before we get to unboxing this bad boy and just say thank you. I had to take a little break for my own mental health. I went through something that was difficult and I've never gone through in my life, and I had no clue how to really process that and balancing doing the channel. So in my absence, I just want to say thank you for sticking it through. Thank you for watching this video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Today's unboxing knife, we got a Benchmade bug out, which I got over the pandemic. I'm very excited. This has been on my side, and now thinking about it, it's an Apple product, so we don't need it. So today is iPhone launch day, and here in front of me I got the iPhone 13 Pro in the white, and I got it with 128 gigabytes, and I'm very excited for this. I currently rock the 12 Pro, which is what you're seeing right now. We're using Filmic Pro to record this. So it's not the most big difference in the world, right? But it is an upgrade, as it'll be, I like the shape of phone, and the fact that it has the ProMotion display is something that I'm a bit of a sucker for. I got the iPad Pro sitting right here, and I gotta say, I'm committed to that. So here we go. Unboxing is a bit different. There's no plastic wrap, as you can see. It just came out of the box that it got shipped in, like this. So we're gonna go ahead, peel the back, and that was it. All right. Oh, there's one at the bottom too. Check that out. That's really cool. So we'll get two of these. This is really smart, actually. It's really a commitment from Apple to be as eco-friendly as possible, and I love that. Whoo, buddy, there it is. Got a little speck from the factory, no biggie. That's just a little bit of love there. And there you go in the box. Not much to it, right? All right. So you got a little tab. You pull it up, and there's the phone. Oh, yeah, that is hefty. Okay, that's a little bit heavier than I remember the 12 Pro being. We'll see how that really affects things. In the box, we got the cable, USB-C to not Thunderbolt, USB-C to Lightning in the box, and then your usual goodies with a SIM popper, details, and then the Apple sticker there, which is pretty cool. We're just gonna put that back in the box. So I'm very excited. It's never a bad day when you get a new device, right? But yeah, that Pro Display, I really want to see what that looks like. So here we go. All right, there it is. And I went with the silver, the white and the silver, because I like the blue that they did for the 12 Pro, and I wasn't necessarily a fan of the blue this time around. Not that it's bad. It's a very beautiful blue, but it's not a dark blue. And it's the only blue at that time that I felt most comfortable using this with. So this is the Apple MagSafe wallet in the California Poppy. And as you can see, the patina on it is real. I don't know if that's gonna focus. I hope it will. And it's done pretty well so far. It's held up. And something I'm excited for is that with the new one, it does a little noise too already. Is that it just connects. So here we go. That's cool. So you get this new screen, which if you've updated to the iOS 15, you're already familiar with it. So speed through this part, editing, Ben. I like that. That camera bump is much larger. Here we are completed. So that right there is the unboxing experience for the iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. I know there's already been a million videos uploaded by now with early reviews and first thoughts and all that jazz. And for you to take the time to click on this video really means the world to me. We're gonna keep it short and sweet to the point, but thank you again for sticking it through. We really are nothing here without y'all watching. And if you have any comments or thoughts or questions, link them down below. that Xbox review is coming one day. Maybe we'll do a year with the Xbox controller and answer some of the questions y'all have had, because that's been a popular video for the channel and there have been a lot of questions. So maybe we'll go through and do a Q&A. If there's any other products you'd like to have more answers to or have questions about, feel free to drop the recommendations down below. This has been Ben for a Nerd Herd. Y'all take it easy. Bye.